Facing job site hurdles is effortless with these high-performance plumbing tools. Designed for total precision and speed, these innovations help you work smarter and reduce stress. Whether navigating tight spaces or complex repairs, the right gear elevates your professional kit, ensuring every project is finished faster and with expert accuracy. Working in cramped spaces becomes much simpler with the iCrimp IWS-1807CN, since the angled head reaches where bulky tools just cannot fit. You can effortlessly secure or remove copper rings in sizes like 1/2 inch and 3/4 of an inch with total confidence. This high-quality forged steel kit ensures every single connection stays tight and leak-free for a very long time. Because the iCrimp IWS-1807CN comes factory calibrated with a specific check gauge, you never have to guess about your accuracy. Taking apart old lines is just as easy as putting them together, because the removal tool lets you save and reuse your fittings. Everything stays organized in a tough carrying case, so you are always ready for the next job. This 5-piece set is a total must for anyone wanting professional results fast. Cutting through thin plastic tubes is a total breeze with the RIDGID PTEC cutter because it creates perfectly straight edges on polyethylene and polypropylene every single time. You'll finish your tasks much faster since the clever design deburs the pipe automatically while you work. Joining different sink drain pieces becomes incredibly simple thanks to the built-in beveling feature that prepares the edge for an instant fit. This RIDGID PTEC cutter handles single-flange pipes at 1 1/4 inches or double-flanged lines at 1.5 inches with zero hassle. Versatility is the name of the game with the unique open bore design that lets you tackle those tricky double-flanged lines easily. Professional plumbers love how this lightweight tool streamlines their entire workflow by eliminating the need for extra cleaning steps. Grab one for your kit and start making those clean cuts today. Creating perfect curves in soft copper and aluminum is effortless when the VEVOR pipe tube bender handles the heavy lifting for your refrigeration or heating projects. You can easily achieve 90-degree angles in both directions, while the reverse bending feature helps you navigate those impossibly tight corners. This comprehensive kit provides 7 interchangeable dies to cover every size from 1/4 of an inch up to 7/8 of an inch. Because it features a mechanical ratchet and an extra long handle for better leverage, you can make precise bends with just one hand without getting tired. This VEVOR pipe tube bender is built from tough aluminum alloy to ensure it survives the roughest job sites year after year. Everything fits into a portable carrying case, so you can stay organized while moving between different tasks. It's a reliable companion for any pro looking to simplify complex pipe connections. Stubborn blockages in your bathroom or kitchen do not stand a chance once you unleash this powerful toilet plunger to blast through the mess. You can clear hair, grease, and even oil residues instantly because it uses safe compressed gas that's way more effective than any old-school manual tool. Operating the device is incredibly simple since you just pump it up and press a button to send a surge of air through the line. This toilet plunger works on everything from floor drains to kitchen sinks, making it a versatile lifesaver for every room in your house. You never have to worry about a weak spray because the special air leak solution ensures the seal fits snugly for maximum pressure every time. It's the perfect way to get your pipes flowing smoothly again without needing a professional. Grab one of these drain blasters and handle those tough clogs like a total expert. Rough edges on your freshly cut pipes disappear in seconds once you start using the KINCROME deburring tool to clean up your work. You can effortlessly smooth out plastic, copper, aluminum, and even tough ferrous metal tubing with the high-hardened cutting blade. This clever pen-style device features a sturdy metal body that actually holds spare blades inside, so you never have to pause your workflow. Keeping the KINCROME deburring tool within reach is incredibly easy, thanks to the built-in pocket clip and a smart quick release function for swapping tips. Instead of struggling with jagged materials, you get professional results on every single project while saving a massive amount of time. Every plumber needs this little gadget to ensure their connections are safe and perfectly prepared for the next step. It's the ultimate solution for achieving a polished finish on any job site without any extra hassle. Connecting heavy-duty pipes up to 4 inches becomes a fast and clean process when you utilize the Viega MegaPressG system for your plumbing and heating installations. This high-quality fitting is engineered to meet strict industry certifications, ensuring every connection is as reliable as it is durable. You can actually save up to 90% in labor costs because it completely replaces the slow, tedious work of welding or soldering. Since a single connection takes only about 16 seconds to press, your productivity will skyrocket on every job site. The best part is you eliminate the need for open flames, which makes your entire work environment much safer for everyone involved. The Viega MegaPressG is the ultimate way to achieve professional, leak-free results while finishing your projects in record time. Grab this system to make your workflow faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Testing sanitary systems reaches a new level of precision when you put the RP50 to work on your next job. This innovative pump allows you to adjust test pressures precisely up to a powerful 30 bar for complete accuracy. Thanks to the digital pressure sensor and stable Bluetooth connectivity, you can monitor all your data in real time through the Rothenberger app. It even features an early warning system to keep you ahead of any potential issues, ensuring you are never caught off guard during a critical test. Charging and data transfers are a total breeze with the integrated USB-C port, making documentation faster than ever before. Every professional looking to upgrade their workflow needs the RP50 for seamless, high-tech results. It's the ultimate way to upgrade your plumbing toolkit today. Tackling heavy-duty plumbing projects is much simpler when you have the Milwaukee M18 fuel pipe threader to handle the hard work for you. This powerhouse delivers the same strength as a corded tool, but without the messy tangles, making it perfect for threading large pipes on any job site. Safety is a huge priority here, which is why the auto-stop technology is a total lifesaver. It detects severe kickback and shuts the tool down instantly to keep you protected. Swapping out parts is a breeze too, as the simple twist lock design lets you change die heads in seconds without any extra tools. You can power through the toughest materials while staying completely mobile and in control of every thread. It's the ultimate way to bring professional-grade precision and efficiency to your daily workflow. Searching for the right socket size is officially a thing of the past once you add this multifunction magic wrench to your collection. This innovative tool automatically adapts to any nut or bolt size, allowing you to move from one task to the next without ever stopping to dig through a cluttered toolbox. It's specifically designed to provide a secure, non-slip grip on materials, ensuring you can apply maximum torque without stripping or damaging the hardware. Because of its slim profile, it excels in those tight, awkward spaces where a standard wrench just won't fit. Whether you're tightening a loose valve or loosening a stubborn bolt, this single tool replaces an entire set, making your workflow significantly more efficient. It's the ultimate multitasking solution for any plumber who values speed and a clean workspace. Finishing up today's list is the Klutch 6-piece pipe threader set, an essential addition for anyone tackling plumbing, HVAC, or mechanical projects. These threaders are precision machined and hardened to ensure you get clean, sharp cuts on every single pass, helping you stay right on schedule. The versatility of this set is impressive, allowing you to cut NPT threads on pipe diameters ranging from 1/4 of an inch to 1 1/4 inches. Whether you're working on black iron or gas line pipes, the Klutch set is specifically built to handle heavy-duty materials with total reliability. It's a rugged, dependable solution that ensures your connections are professional and leak-free every time. Grab this set to bring high-quality threading power to your very next job. Protecting your home from the devastating effects of water damage has never been easier than with the LeakSmart wireless sensor system. These smart sensors constantly monitor your property for both moisture and temperature changes, sending instant alerts to your hub the moment a problem is detected. The most impressive feature is its speed. LeakSmart can detect a leak and automatically shut off your home's main water supply in less than 5 seconds. This lightning-fast response prevents minor drips from turning into catastrophic floods and saves you from massive repair bills. Beyond just leaks, it also keeps a watchful eye on freezing conditions to prevent burst pipes before they happen. It integrates seamlessly with popular smart home systems like Google Home and Amazon Echo, giving you total peace of mind and 24/7 protection for your biggest investment. Hopefully, these awesome plumbing tools gave you some serious inspiration for your next big project. Thanks for hanging out and watching our latest breakdown today. If any of these gadgets looked useful, go ahead and hit that like button or leave a comment below. Sharing this video with your crew helps us out a ton and keeps the community growing. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next set of gear we reveal. We'll see you in the next one for more top-tier tools.